Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to sign up on Luxy and get your profile verified in 2025. Luxy is known for high-end dating, so if you're aiming to meet successful singles, getting verified is a must. First, get the Luxy app from the App Store or Google Play or go to unluxy.com. Register with your email, phone number, or social media. Provide information about yourself, including photos and details about your lifestyle. After profile creation, Luxy reviews your profile for 24 hours to determine if you meet their standards. Income verification is optional but recommended. So if you want to verify your income for potential faster access, find the Verify Income button on your profile. You'll need to provide proof of income or assets along with an ID or government-issued identifier. This is according to Luxy's privacy policy. Once a 24-hour review is complete, or after verification if applicable, you can start browsing and matching with other members. Luxy is an exclusive dating app, so the review process is rigorous. While income verification is optional, it can help expedite the review process and signal your status as a verified member. Be sure to familiarize yourself with Luxy's community guidelines, which prohibit certain behaviors like using the app for non-genuine connections or engaging in harmful activities. And that's it. You're now ready to match with real verified users on Luxy, dress up your profile, get verified, and stand out in 2025.